Finally, naggamit na din yung rice cooker, mga Mars. Ayan oh. Ginamit na ni Pars. At cute pala nito, Mars. Maliit lang pala siya. Only 1 kilo fit, no, Rakas?
Joo.
Nice. Now we have rice cooker.
Mm.
Tagal-tagal ko na tumira dito sa Finland. Ngayon pa lang, gumamit ng rice cooker. And gagawa na pala kami ng cake ni Pars. Ah! Kaka.
Oh.
So, we will make big.
Joo. I wondered like why you buy two.
I don't know if that is... I don't know. It's already sliced. Ito yun, Mars, oh, yung hinanap ko dun.
Here is a steamer if you want. Like steamer comes here on top if you want to steam
Okay,
something.
steam some siopaw.
Or just broccoli.
We make again. No.
We won't eat that much.
You need to get that
Cake.
cake. Gawa na tayo ng cake, mga Mars. Bukas pa namin to gagawin. And then kakainin namin sa weekend, mga Mars. Kaya hindi siya masarap. What's this? Ay, mashed potato.
Mashed
Ang laki naman ng mga strawberry. Anuhin ko to, i-slice. Ay, ito yung ating lalagay sa ating cake. Naalala nyo po, Mars, pero
You want that blue one? That
Yo.
Tupperware.
the Tupperware, where it is? Because there is cover.
Joo. It's up there.
Dalawa ang gagawin namin. Yung hatiin namin, Mars, ba? So, bali yung right kay strawberry and then yung sa kabila yung pistachio. Oh! Because I don't know how to measure it. That's why I bought 3 pieces of cream, cheese, and then
And you,
2 pieces of cream. Dapat pala ay konti ang binili ko, Mars. There's a lot of sale, Rakas. Kakwa.
joo,
Kunin.
I can believe that.
Kaliwat kanan yung sale, mga Mars. Uy, matamis kaya. It's very big.
It is. Very nice looking.
Yeah. Where it's from?
Spain.
Ah, so it's sweet. But I don't know because it's winter.
Miksi sä said that it tasted good?
Really? Need I taste? Tikman natin. Kasi dalawa yung binili ko nito. Ang isa kay Mixo. It is. Masarap nga. Alam niyo po ba, una kong tikim ng strawberry. Kay maasim. And after that, ayaw ko na ng strawberry. Pero nung natikman ko na naman dito, iba-iba pala talaga yung strawberry. May matamis, may maasim. Pag naswertihan ka sa matamis, magugustuhan mo talaga. Pero pag doon ka naman sa maasim, kung first time mo tumikit, and then maasim pala, parang matutrauma ka na, ay, ayaw ko na, hindi ka maiinganyo. I think 7 years old ako. Parang 7 years old ako nung matikman ko tong strawberry. And then, ang asim pala, hindi na ako kumain. Kaya nung dumating ako dito, kahit anong bili ni Pars ng strawberry kasi alam niyang mahal ko dyan sa atin. Binibilhan niya ako, tapos hindi ko kinain. Siya lang din kumakain. Sabi ko, nakatikim kasi ako ng strawberry maasim, kaya ayaw ko. Pero nung summertime na binilhan niya ako. Ay, naku, ang tamis pala. Tapos, nagpunta kami dun sa strawberry picking. Ay, masarap naman pala talaga at matamis itong strawberry pag bagong harvest. So, let's see kung uubusin ko ba to, kay dalawa man yung gagawin namin. Gusto namin mag-invento, mga Mars. Try lang to. Lalo na yung sa pistachio ba. Dito lang ba kayo nakakita, Mars, na yung cake ay binabasa? Ganito ba na style ng paggawa ng cake? Para to siya ay hindi dry yung cake mo, Mars. At least nga may mga ready-made na ganito. Yung hindi na kailangan maggawa-gawa pa ng chiffon cake. Tapos, yan yung magiging base mo. May ingay ni Mars din. Ah, yung pistachio, mga Mars. So, gagawin natin hati. Ayan. Kay, medyo dry man tong cake base natin. So, gusto ko siya gawin ngayon. Para bukas yung liquid nito ay magano talaga ba? Spread, mga Mars. Meron yung one time na kainin namin Sabado na ginawa namin Friday. Dry pa yung cake base. So, pag masubrahan mo din siya ng juice to siya, Mars, yung iniinom namin, pwede naman din milk, sabi ni Pars, pero juice na lang kasi wala yung sugar, yung cream na ginawa ni Pars. So, una kong tikim nitong finish cake, hindi ko type kasi nasanay ako sa cake natin na plain lang siya, na walang fruits sa loob. Pero nung matagalan, Mars, nagustuhan ko na yung cake ng finish na may strawberry, any fruits. So, ito yung pistachio cream.
Half and half.
Meron kami. Tapos yung
Here is a spoon.
jam na gagamitin namin dito. Yes, half and half.
Half and half.
Kami lang naman kakain nito, Mars. Para sa darating na Valentine's Day. Okay na siguro to kasi ito lang naman yung matamis dito, yung mga cream, tabang. Ayan, ganito lang. Kaya pala yung pinag-orderan ko ng cake, Mars, dati. Ngayon, hindi na siya nagtitinda. Yung ino-orderan ko na finish. Hey, Irakas, do you know that Asa is no longer making cakes?
Mikä?
Do you remember that Asa?
Assa.
Asa kakko?
Joo, muista.
Hanay teke na kakko.
Ei vai.
Yo.
Oh, how do you know?
Ko milon si Olimia, I put message. I
Joo.
don't remember when it was. Ellen's birthday.
Okay.
I supposed to order a cake from
Joo.
her, and then she replied she's no longer making cakes.
Okay.
Yun. She's the best.
Joo, she was cool.
Masarap pa naman yung cake niya. Kahit dati ay hindi ko nagustuhan, pero ay nako, masarap ko. Nasasarapan na ako, Mars. Ganito lang siya, oh. O at least 'di ba, pagkakainin mo, hindi siya plain lang kasi yung cake natin is medyo plain lang talaga. Flavor lang yung meron sa atin, like yung chocolate cake, obi cake. Itong sa kanila, meron talagang mga toppings, which is masarap siya kasi may manguya-nguya ka, Mars, ba? Masarap siya. Naalala ko dati, sino ba yun? Pilipina din akong kaibigan na ganito. first time niya tumikim Finnish cake. Hindi niya nagustuhan kay hindi daw masarap. Then, basa siya ba? Yan din yung expression ko, hindi ko gusto kay basa. Pero masarap na good. Kailangan mo lang talaga masanay. Ayan. Kinamay ko na, Mars. Kami lang din naman kakain. Tapos, naghugas din ako ng kamay bago ako humawak nito. Wala dito yung gloves ko na manipis eh. And then this is the cream. Ayan. This is so... Maybe we need to melt a little. Or no? We can try. Yeah.
Okay, it needs something like
Liquid.
what fluid, liquid with.
Pangit siya mga Mars kay. Nung inano ko na ni-spread. Tadan! Kailangan siya
That
initin.
doesn't matter. No one sees it because it stays inside. But this is so hard. Let's
Warm. And put milk maybe a little.
a little milk. Something like it
Yeah.
gets more soft.
Medyo ano to siya, matigas. Very creamy or no? What's that? Ano siya? Ay, pangit na siya pag...
How is the taste?
It's tasty.
Very good.
Yeah, I like this.
Me too.
Tapos, ito yung pistachio natin. Instead na strawberry, itong pistachio ang ilalagay natin dyan, Mars. Tignan natin. Pistachio nga talaga siya, Mars. Nam. Okay, try natin to. Oh, this
It is tasty.
is better.
Yeah, no, it's more easy.
Now. It's very different than
Yeah.
first. Ooh. Do we put cream here? Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Here comes that. Mikä se on?
The cream.
Cream cheese and
Cheese.
cream. Cream cheese and cream.
Okay. Interesting, this pistachio.
It is.
Excited to taste this. Like that. Look at that box there.
Mm.
Oh, it's so hard here. Okay. Now we put
We
that.
can put a little this if you want.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
my plan.
Yeah,
Like,
a little bit crunchy bites.
ooh.
Crunchy bites.
Ito lang siya, Mars. Pagkakainin natin ito. Merong crunchy. Ito ang plan ko. Yan siya, Mars. Okay.
Okay, and then this one. To be able to.
We have three. Three of this. Ay,
Oh yeah.
you forgot. You put a lot.
I think I
Nakalimutan.
need to remove some of it
Yo,
and need to make more. And it's 3 layers.
that's why I bought 3 or 2.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. You're half and half. Here comes next, and then comes, but we don't put this on the top. This
No,
comes
no.
only 2. layers.
No,
No,
layers.
everything
So
is
it's fine.
All cool.
I have knife.
Yeah, try to do that if you...
Oh, I have that spatula. No, the other one. That
Ah,
is
that
more
is, yeah,
flat.
that flat one.
So,
Yeah,
where-
maybe I think it's there.
Here.
Oh.
Right here.
I think it's here. Maybe we have it here. It's here. Spatula.
Ay.
It's not so easy.
Yo, because you put a lot. Supposed to.
Just small. No, you can take a
Yo,
spoon and...
medyo makapal
Where I
yung.
put that spoon? Is it there?
No,
Up here.
nalagay ni Pars. Yo. Masyadong makapal. Ngayon, ang trabaho namin ni Pars. Uy. Saan na yun? Yeah. Why it's not perfect?
Remember, no one will see.
Now they see.
True, everybody will see.
Oh no, why it's
Just
like
try not to mix peanuts and
strawberry.
strawberry and peanuts. Yo.
Ano nangyari dito? Bakit?
No, it goes.
It's quite dry now, your cream.
This is because it's so much of that cream cheese.
Ay, that's
That's
why.
why. Yo, maybe I need to add more like...
Cream.
No. No, I can do also
Ay.
that one.
It's, kasi yung cheese cream mga Mars, medyo matigas. Kaya, pag in-spread ko siya, hindi siya smooth. Pangit niya, oh.
Okay, I add more cream for next layer.
Because I'm struggling now with this.
Yeah.
Yan. This one is better, oh. No, there's a lot of cream.
Yeah.
Enough na.
Enough na.
Too much cream already. Ano naman to, oy?
Too much?
Yeah, this is too much cream.
No, it's not.
Kasi sometimes hindi masarap yung too much cream na din kay wala na, puro na cream yung ating makain nito. Yummy?
It is.
Natapos na yung aming cake, Mars. Dada! Ganyan lang, Mars. Ito yung pistachio at ito yung strawberry. O, paghatiin natin yan, bang! Malalaman natin yan sa Sabado. Pero ngayon, hindi mo natin yan kakainin kahit tigasin muna natin yan, Mars. Pero hindi namin siya tigas, yung sobrang tigas talaga. Yung parang i-rest mo lang ba? Sabi ko nga kay Pars, kainin na natin. Sabi niya sa Sabado na, oy, ako po excited. Ayan. Sarap talaga yung pistachio cream. Ay, ayan, oh, may sobra pa. Ang dami ko pa namang biniling pistachio, Mars. Tapos yung mga cream, tag-tatlo-tatlo yung binili ko. Napadami. Pero okay lang, may baka next time magawa ako ulit ng cake, diba? Oh no, very cold. Nasyak mo kami dito sa weather namin, oy.
We need night shift.
Maybe you use this, oh. Because I still need to fix that other one. Come here na because you will be late. May lakad kasi sila. Everyday sila
I will be woman.
gawa ngayon ba?
I will be
Ah, this is
woman.
also broken. No, but
Say
I
hi.
just need to change this.
Say hi.
Hey, Mixo, wear these pants because outside is very cold.
Tus tänne.
Yeah.
Ito ba, oh, yung lock mga Mars kay kahapon.
Tänne.
Napapasukan ng snow. Yung kanyang
Hei, ei ole mitään.
sapatos. Ito yung purpose niya.
Ei sun tarvi nyt päivä.
Bakit lalagyan natin ng ganito? Kasi ilalak
Silloin vaan tuo tulo.
dun sa sapatos.
Ei nyt kukaan sieltä näe.
Mika.
Ei sitä kukaan sieltä näe. Ei edes sinä.
Yan.
Mutta entäs jos muoveja
Tanong kung kasya pa to sa kanya, 116.
Jää pois kun menet sisälle.
But this is already 116 rakas.
No mut täytyy kokeilla.
Mixo is 118.
1800.
You just try this.
It doesn't try.
Hindi pa naman to masyadong makapal. Mas makapal yung ginagamit niya. Ito, oh. Mas makapal. Maybe need to buy him that pants na mas makapal. Kasi meron naman siyang jacket dito. Bilhan ko nga itong batang to be. Pants lang siya mga Mars. Same nitong ginagamit ko.
No niin, nyt voit hypätä pukuun.
Nakandun sa
Tai villasukat ensin.
Tokman.
Antaako sä sitä villasukkaa?
Missä se
Joo,
on?
miksi ottaa?
Okay, may mo si Bintin.
18.
18?
Ei.
Ita-drop ko lang naman kasi siya. Kaya ganito lang yung aking attire.
Minus 18.
Ito yung attire namin basta winter time na lalabas lang saglit. Asan mo yung aking ibang jacket?
Sait se vaihdettua heitto kumilenki?
Ha?
Sait se vaihdettua kumilenki?
Joo.
Hyvä.
Okay. Ui, ui, ui. It's very cold.
Kisimme ulos tänään.
Ei.
Ha?
Miksi sä kysyt, eikö isi mene ulos tänään? Ei mene.
Is
Sillä ei ole mitään tarvetta lähteä tuollaiseen pakkaseen.
Takot si Easy. Lumabas, Easy is dad mga Mars.
Se on tylsä.
Madami pa ding nagtatanong ano meaning ng rakas. Ang rakas po mga Mars, love yan. Hindi po yan pangalan ni Pars, kundi love. Saan na yung aking medyas? Ganito lang yung aking
Täällä on polves nää pojat.
attire Mars. Bakit parang
Villasukka.
baliktad?
Villasukka. Pussi auto.
Baliktad tong ano to?
Steer us. The back.
Zipper.
The back.
Seryoso, baliktad. Nasa loob yung lock ng mga Mars. Ay, hindi pala. Loading. Ano ba yan, Mars? Okay. Bagong gising pa lang kasi. At kailangan ko i-drop si Mixo kay may pupuntahan sila na park. Doon sila magsa-slide. Nako, ano na tong winter na to ha. Hindi na to masaya. Saan yung ating medyas? Ang sarap na lang matulog. Hindi lalabas. So, kailangan natin lumabas. Okay, now shoes.
No, not you.
Sige na. Okay. You will be late. Mia hatin mo himin. May ilaw no. AY ka.
Joo, käy.
Napakamahiyain talaga ng ating Mixo Mars. Tuwing hatid ko niyan sa kanya at yung mga classmate niya, lalapitan siya, biglang iikot. Yung ayaw niya pang makipag-usap basta bagong dating. Uy, Diyos ko, ang hirap magsalita, Mars. Sa bahay na ako magsalita kaya ang lamig, naninigas yung dito ko. Ito yung cake na gawa namin kahapon, Mars. Pinasok muna namin ni Pars kay sa labas sobrang lamig. Baka maging bato to bukas. Ayan. It's so warm inside. It's so warm here.
Joo.
Ang bilis naman natunaw nitong cream namin. Trabaho namin kagabi. No piastis tulla.
Joo, kato, eihän se, kun se on vielä covered,
Joo.
niin it's not so cold inside than outside.
Ah.
Even balcony,
Joo.
it's already like you can take off like 10 degrees.
Okay. No pitää ottaa pois valiraita.
Joo, just. Ja sit vie vaan takas.
Joo. Kasi yung ref natin or we put here.
Joo, if we organize it, we can fit it there. We
Organize.
just need to remove those.
Yo, organize na lang natin tong ating ref. Yung ref namin mas napakakala. Ay, akala ko na ang dami pang laman nito. Tapo na natin tong mga... Hey, this watermelon has already been years here. Mga salad. Ito pa yung nakuha ko kay Mr. Bean, mga Mars. Gusto kasi namin to. Minsan tinatapping namin sa kakao. Ano ba yun? Minsan ginagamit yan ni Pars as kakao. Tapos, yung nilalagay sa ice cream.
What's in here?
The Zatsi. Jatsi.
Tzatziki.
Tzatziki. Silvi ba?
It's still okay.
You're still alive.
Okay.
Miyasaw in Ailen.
Ah, hyvä.
Yung gawa niyang tzatziki, mga Mars. Ayan. Hey, we need to crush.
There.
Ay, yung ano pala. Garlic. This is the egg.
Yo, you can throw that egg. You never will use it. Okay, just remove those two
Ayan, oh.
first.
Now it's fit.
Now it fits.
Tinamad lang kami kagabi mag-arrange, Mars, kay nag-abot na yung mga pagod namin. Oy.
What's that? Ah, the
Mashed
mashed
potato. Okay. Where I put this? It's full again. Salad. It's fit. Ayan. That's all.
That's
Your
yeah, you can put it here.
it's fit.
It fits.
Hey, we need to buy yogurt for Mixo.
Yeah, I think it's already done.
Yeah, no
Yeah.
more na, no more.
Yeah, we need.
I need
How about this one?
you can,
Is it dead?
yeah, it's
I
been,
think it's been. Oh,
Years.
it's already soft.
it's been years. Dilig ako ng halaman ko. Very sunny today, kaya malamig. So if it's really cold, so it will be sunny every day.
Yeah.
Because you said, until when? Next week?
Yeah.
Next week, sabi niya na laging malamig eh. Nood siya ng news, mga Mars. Dry na
Sunny
nito.
days ahead.
Ano natin? Flour. Hey, we need to buy flour to Mom. Kay Valentine's Day, mga Mars. Happy Valentine's Day, mga Mars and Pars. Kahit late na yung pabati ni Maring Queenie. Kay madaming iniisip. Sa dami ng ginagawa ko, Mars, no, napaka-kalimutin ko na nowadays. Ay, nako, entering the 30. Ganyan pala. Laging nakakalimut. Ay, wag naman sana, Mars. Bata pa tayo. Sabi nyo nga. At least sa katikim ng tubig yung aking mga tanim.